Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to manage email notifications on Mailerlite. Email notifications are an important way to stay up to date on your email activity in Mailerlite. They can alert you to new subscribers, recently unsubscribed recipients, and as well as other important events. If you're running a time-sensitive promotion or you're collecting last-minute subscribers into a webinar web group, you may only want to receive notifications when a subscriber joins a specific group. To do this, navigate to the email notification page after clicking on Settings on the left sidebar. Under the Send Subscribe Notifications To field, find the text Send the notification when the subscribers join any group and click Change. To turn on campaign notifications, navigate to the Account Settings. Click Email Notifications, select the Activity Notifications tab. Enter your email address into the Sent Campaign Notifications field. To add more than one email address, separate each one with a comma. And after you finish, click Save. And that's how you can manage your notifications on your Mailerlite account. If you find this guide helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.